to the EURUSDAug29th2012 daily analysis for the Euro-US dollar FX for Wednesday, August 29, 2012. Well, a continuation of the trend to the downside today. 3 trading periods ago we had establishment of that trend with a lower high and a lower low, and since then we've had a series of candles that have failed to change that trend. Following the change of trend, we had an inside day, an outside day, and another inside day today. And that does suggest that there is quite a bit of indecision in this market, and the market's moving sideways, but no failure to change that trend to the downside. Now, we've had a black body candle today, and that's as opposed to the fairly large white body candle where there was quite some bullish in the market for the previous day's trading. And we also had the breakout up above the cloud, which was very, very important. We had some very strong bullishness in this rally that the market was in over the previous couple of weeks. And we had the market break out bullishly above the Kijun-sen, and then the Kijun-sen holding as an area of support for this market. And now the rally into the cloud, finding resistance at the top of the cloud, retracement and a breakout above the cloud in a very bullish manner. So quite a change of character in this market. Now this market now remains trading outside of the cloud, and we have a bullish market in the longer term time frame, but I'll move on to that in a minute. But looking at the short term dynamics for today's trading, an inside day suggests that quite some indecision in the market. The buyers weren't strong enough to take out the high, and the high corresponded with this very strong area of resistance at 125.86. But by the same token, the sellers weren't strong enough to take out the low. So that did suggest quite some indecision. If this market does come off, we do have very strong support down around the bottom of the cloud, the top of the cloud, which coincides with this previous support resistance level at 124.55, and with the area around the Tenkan-sen, and that will be very, very, very strong support for this market. But if we do see the market trade out up above the 125.86 level, especially in a bullish manner, we could easily see the market testing up to around the 127 level, and that coincides with roughly where the top of the trend channel is. So that's a very important level, just above the market at 125.86. But for today's trading, there isn't any sign that the market will be breaking out to the upside. We have a black candle, so the sellers have some downside momentum. They've closed this trading day with control and shown some commitment throughout the trading day, so it certainly doesn't look as though the market will test up above there in a hurry, but with this indecisiveness in the market, we could see a turnaround in the buyers attempting to take control. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, and what we're examining is the relationship of the current first time frame downtrend that the market is actually in at the moment compared to the previous time the market was trending down. If we look to yesterday's trading, we actually tested to the 100% level in a very bullish manner with this strong breakout to the upside, and that does suggest that there is potential for a change of trend. But today's trading, we failed to see that change of trend, and we've seen the area around the highs of these candles hold as strong resistance. For the Fibonacci retracement, we're examining the current first time frame downtrend that the market's in relationship to the previous time the market was trending up, and here we see the 38.2% level held for yesterday's trading, or the day before's trading, and bounce off there, but no follow through today. But there is still potential for that change of trend to the upside if it wasn't for that very strong resistance overhead. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, as I've already mentioned, we had the breakout above the cloud, and that is very, very important. It now gives this market an overall bullish bias in big picture terms. Now, that doesn't mean that the market won't come off, but if this market does come off, we have very, very strong support just below where the market's trading, and we could see the market come off and bounce off there and trade to higher levels. In terms of the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, the market's trading above both of those, so the market is bullish in the medium term and fast term time frames as well. So quite a bullish market. The bullishness is confirmed by the Chica span here, which is above the corresponding price action, and this market does seem to be set up for a positive test to the 125.86 level again, and there is good potential for a breakout to the upside, but let's not preempt the market. If we do see a strongly bullish breakout above there, then we could see the market easily trading to higher levels, but we do have some decent resistance up around the 127 level.